We're going to look at question number 8. Question number 8 is using the graph, we are supposed to make decisions about the y values. The y's are the function. So as you can see here, the y values, down here the y values are 0. Here the y value would be about a third. Over here would be about a half. Up here it's a 1. So this particular value here, when x is -1, y is 1. So the y value is 1. Over in here we get other y values. If I use x's here, I get the y values equal to 0. Okay, let's look at A. A says that x is approaching -1, but from the right side. That's what the plus sign means. From the right side of -1, the right side of -1 is here. If I use this value, I think you can see that the y values there are close to 1, so 1 is going to be the limit. In B over here, I'm approaching 0 from below 0 to the left of 0. To the left of 0 would be over here, and the y values again would be equal to 0. So the y's would be approaching 0. So that's a true statement. The y values do approach 0. C, I'm approaching 0 from the left side. That's what the negative says, from the left side of 0. The left side would give me a y value of 0. So the answer here would be y equals 0. In D, I'm approaching x from the left side. The other one says approach 0 from the right side. So if I approach from the left and the right, no matter what I do, from the left, from the right, I still get a y value equal to 0. So these are both equal to 0, so this would be a true statement. E, approach 0 from both sides. We decided either if I approach 0 from both sides, the y value does exist. It's equal to 0. F, approach x from both sides of 0. Do the y values equal 0? Yes, it's really the same question as E. G, approach x from both sides of 0. Will the y's equal 1? No, I think we could see here, if I want the y values to be 1, that's up here, y1, the only way to get y equal to 1 is to use x's that are close to 1 from the left or close to -1 from the right side. Then I can get y equal 1. So when x approaches 0, no, y does not equal 1. It equals 0. When x approaches 1, well, now I'm supposed to let x approach 1 from either side because there's nothing right here. So if it approaches from either side, if I approach from the left, I get 1 for an answer. If I approach from the right, I get 0 for an answer. So I should erase some of this here. Let's do that again real fast. If I let x approach 1 from the left, I get a value close to 1. If I let it approach 1 from the right, I get a value of 0 for y. So this has no answer. X approach 1 from both sides, does it equal 0? No. If I approach x from the left side of 2, the left side of 2 would give me a y value of 0.